Hello, my name's Mandy. I run the Littlest Costume Shop and I'm also a wig stylist. I'm doing a series of videos which show you how to take really cheap wigs and make them look good. So here's one of the wigs. This is a bobbed wig, but it's a long bobbed wig, roughly around about the length of my hair. Quite often come in these little hair nets. When you get them out as a packet, they don't often look the same way as they do on the packet. Even just combing them will make them look better. Even just, trying to smooth out the wig fibres. But if you have something that you can put them on, like a styling head, as I've got here, or a foam head that's secure to something, you can do a lot more to make them look better. So I'm just pinning the wig to the styling head here. I'm using glass-headed pins. You can also use T-pins. Sometimes I use a T-pin if you feel a bit lazy, but they can get caught up in the wig fibres. What I'm going to do now, I'll try and show you as I'm going along. I'm literally just combing through, smoothing those wig fibres down. Just gently. Sometimes I use a leave-in conditioner as well. This is one specifically for wigs, but I use normal hair leave-in conditioner too. That can just make it easier for your comb to glide through. This is quite a nice one, smells like coconut. There we go. A little bit knotty while it's been in the packet. What I was just doing then, I'll tilt it forward so you can see a bit more. The wig actually doesn't hook under the way it should. So I'm just putting the heel of my hand here and I am smoothing the edges of the wig there underneath. That starts to make it sit properly. You see that? Just smoothing it round the edge of my fingers. Sometimes you'll hear me talk about persuading the wig to do something, and that's kind of what I mean. I'm just sort of smoothing it into the right direction. Another one of those knots. Now, quite often when wigs come, they're all perfectly cut. This one has got a few stragglers. So I'm going to cut the wig. So I'm not actually going to cut the fringe. All I'm cutting is the little bits that are sticking out. Little bits that have been, when the wig's been made, it's not actually been properly cut. There are a few at the bottom too. And again, I'm not actually cutting the wig proper, just those little extra bits that are sticking out. Now, if you're trying to make the wig stay where you've combed it, there are a couple of different ways you can do that. And the easiest one is to use hairspray and a hairdryer. So I'm just going to show you what I mean here. I want to make this bit of the wig curl under more. Just really curl under. It's actually behaving itself quite well. So what I'm going to do is take the hairspray a section of the wig and hold it into the shape that I want it to be, and then dry it with the hairspray, with a hairdryer, and then dry it with a hairdryer, get it right, on a very cool setting. And if you can see, that's making that wig stay where I want it to stay. And this works for sticking wigs up, putting more body in them, whatever really you want to do. You see what's happening there? If you do have access to a steamer, it can be anything from a large steamer like the one I've got to a small handheld steamer. They're brilliant for smoothing and styling wigs. I'll just turn this one on. You just need to wait for it to start steaming. Obviously, steamers are hot. Don't try and use anything like an iron or a kettle or anything like that. Steamers are hot. Read through all the instructions before you start to use your steamer, and make sure that you're not directing the steam at your hand or at your face or anything like that. I'm just going to carry on with the hairdryer as I'm waiting for the steamer to work. Helps if you've got it plugged in. And also all I'm doing in here is kind of smoothing the inside of the wig as well. To make it all sit really smoothly. The steamer's going beautifully well. And this resets the memory of the synthetic hair. So once you've restyled that wig, you should be able, let's smooth it down here. Once you've restyled that wig, you should be able to wash it and it will still stay in the style that you steamed it. Still stay in the style that you've steamed it. And as you can see, I'm just steaming and holding this under, making sure my fingers are out of the way, and it's actually the comb that's in the way. And that's working beautifully too. To keep that nice and shiny and smooth. And I'm just kind of tweaking it. I'll turn it around for you again. Just tweaking it into position. And then I'll spray it. Give it a little touch of hairspray, which will just keep it in the style that you want it. So there you go. I hope that's been useful to you. If you have any questions about wig styling, please do get in touch and subscribe to the channel. Bye.